everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're going to be looking at the pricing plan for this particular software. So the pricing plan we have for Runway ML. We're going to start with the monthly plan. We have the monthly and we have the yearly that helps you save 20%. Now when it comes to the monthly plan, we have the free version. What you use once you've signed up is a free version where you get only 125 credits for one-time use. Yes, this is it. This is the free version. So once you've registered, you get the free version, and you get to use only 125 credits per month. So usually it's 125 credits. That's what you get here. But if you're using, so like I say, you can generate video, you can generate image, you get 3 video editor projects, 5 GB access storage, and no Gen 4 generation. But if you use a standard plan, from the monthly plan, you pay $15 per month. It includes 75 credits per month. Then everything, and you get everything in the free version, and you get also all this access. You can upscale resolution, remove watermarks, credits, refresh monthly, and you have 100 GB of asset, unlimited video editor, projects, technical support via the dashboard. Then if you use the pro version, you pay $35 per month. It includes 2,250 credits monthly. Then you have everything standard, and you still get to create custom voices for lip sync and text to speech, and 500 GB of access storage. Then if you decide to use the unlimited plan, monthly plan, you pay $95 per month. It includes 2,250 credits monthly, and you get everything in pro, and you get to exploit the mode. You get unlimited generation of R, Alif, Gen 4 Turbo, and so much more. Then lastly, we have the enterprise plan where you pay $2,000 per year. This one is not monthly. You get to you negotiate your credit allowance, and you can switch to back again here. You get everything in pro, single sign-on, workspace analytics, configure team spaces to segment and organize assets, priority support, and no explain mode. So then if you go for the yearly plan, you want to pay yearly, this is how much you pay. For the free version, it's still free, it's the same, but for standard, you pay $144 per month, per year actually. For the pro version, you pay $306 per year. For the limited, now they are $12. The features are practically the same, but just how much you pay, you get to save more. But this enterprise is still the same. So hope you found this video helpful.